God never sends us into a situation alone. God goes before us, He stands beside us, He walks behind us. Whatever situation we have right now, be confident. God is with us. With these beautiful lines, I am Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8 along with my housemates wish you all a very pleasant morning. I am going to introduce today's morning assembly and the theme is character. The character actually describes how a person thinks, behaves, feels and believes. Our character is actually an amalgamation of our qualities which makes us unique and helps us stand apart from rest. Now let's start today's morning assembly. Prayer links every human being with God. It liberates us from fear and pain. Let's we all pray to Almighty, the creator of whole universe. So join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. Put down your hands. Pledge ingrains the value of unity and oneness and it helps us to remember our duties towards our nation. So be ready for pledge. For this I would call Amrit from class 7th. Good thought affect our feelings in positive way. It has powerful impact on our life. To add up a lot of value to morning assembly, I would call Shivai from class 8th. Good morning to all of you. My name is Shivai. Today's thought is, character is a real foundation of all worthwhile success. Means, good character is that quality which makes us truthful, courageous, responsible, honest and civilized. And these are important for success in our life. Success does not come by a chance. It comes slowly and slowly. Everybody has some dreams. And to achieve our dreams, we need to think about where we are going. We need to think about the characteristics of winners and must lead ourselves to develop the characteristics or traits of a winner. So it is true that character is a real foundation of all worthwhile success. Let's we all decide to develop winning characteristics. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you Shivai for such a nice thought. Character builds slowly. It is not formed in a day or week. It is the greatest factor in order to achieve happiness and to become a good person. To light upon this, I would like to call Kabir from class 8. Good morning to all of you. My name is Kabir. Yes, character is one of the important keys to become a good person and to get success in everybody's life. Honesty, punctuality, loyalty, being responsible, being civilized are some of the values that boost our character. Good and positive character traits increase our confidence. We can begin to improve our character by improving our personality. The first and most simple step is to greet everyone with warm greeting or smile. By giving respect to elders, by offering helping hand to needy, by improving our conversation skills, by expanding our knowledge, by setting goals, by developing self-confidence, by getting motivated and inspired from others, and so on. Such type of deeds will develop our social skills and enhance the values like honesty, punctuality, and other important virtues. Thank you. Have a great day. News is important for us for a number of reasons. It gives information about national and international events. To get the today's top news headlines, I would call Ruhi from class 7th. Thank you Ruhi for updating us with current happenings. National anthem is our national identity. It develops a sense of unity among us. To show respect for our nation, get ready for national anthem. After national anthem, a good character is the backbone of a person's personality. So, we must shape our character by developing good thoughts, habits and actions. Thank you to all of you. Have a wonderful day.